For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to set an eyelet. Eyelets are metal rings used for leather, fabric sewing, and bags, pet products, shoe, and boot manufacturing. Eyelets stop the edges of a hole from fraying and can be used to thread lacing, cord, and tongue of a buckle. Step 1. Get the right tools. You'll need an eyelet and matching washer, a cutting pad, rawhide hammer, a hole punch, anvil, and your setting tool. You can also use eyelet pliers, or if you're using a hand machine, die 1227 works with this. Step 2. Punch a hole. Punch a hole in the material where you want the eyelet to set. Place your hole punch over your material and hit it with your rawhide hammer. The hole should be slightly smaller than the inside of the eyelet. If the hole is too big, your eyelet will not last long, or it will fall out. Step 3. Set the eyelet. Insert your eyelet into your material where you punched the hole. Add the washer over the post of the eyelet. Place the eyelet over the anvil with the washer facing up. Place the eyelet setting tool so the point is in the eyelet post. Hit the end of the setting tool with the rawhide hammer to peen the post over the washer. You can use several different setting tools, such as the hand pliers, hand tool, or the machine dies. We carry a wide variety of hole punches, such as our CS Osborne or the revolving leather punch. And there you have it. How to set an eyelet. Try it for yourself. Find all these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.